Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can download the vehicle inspection checklist completely free. Yes, completely free. Let's look at it, how it works. So you need to go to mojoomla.com, and once you have the website open on your screen, you need to scroll all the way down towards the footer part of it, and then you need to look at Garage Master. Once you click on Garage Master, it will open up a free vehicle inspection checklist download page where it's available in different languages like French, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, Arabic, German, right? And you need to locate the English language, which is right on the screen. We click on the English language uh, inspection checklist, and it will open up a new page. Says download free vehicle inspection checklist in English. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find a PDF icon. Just click on the PDF icon and it will ask you to enter email address and your name. Once you enter that, just click on download free PDF and it will send you an email that you have just entered over here. So we have the email in our inbox. So this is basically subscribing you to the Mojoomla.com. So you need to click on the blue button which says yes, subscribe me to the list. And once you click on it, it will automatically open up the PDF for the vehicle inspection checklist using which you can do the vehicle inspection. It has a lot of different values like, vehicle name, customer name, vehicle number, mobile number, job card, and you can also evaluate the vehicle in terms of whether, each point has a leak, damage, repair, whatever status, right? So it has different sections like road test items, exterior of the vehicle, interior of the car, brakes and wheels, kind of, right? So it has all different, like it's a 11, 12 good page document, which will give you the comprehensive inspection. At the end, you have the appearance. So, if there are scratches, you can also, identify it on the body. And finally, you have the technician signature and the customer signature. This, you can use it in your day-to-day garage operation to do the vehicle inspection checklist. And do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching the video today. Thank you.